Hello, today I'm going to show you how to locate your Zippo date codes. In the mid-1955, Zippo started year coding its letters by the use of dots. From 1966 until 1973, the year code was denoted by combinations of vertical lines. From 1974 until 1981, the coding comprised combinations of forward slashes. In 1979, the company inadvertently introduced an error into the fabrication, with some letters reading slash on the left and slash slash on the right instead of slash slash on the left and slash on the right, of course. Everybody knows that, isn't it? But correct the problem within the year. From 1982 until June 1986, the coding was by backslash. After July 1986, Zippo began including a date code on all lighters, showing the month and the year of the production. On the left of the underside was down the letter A up to L, denoting the month. A for January, B for February, C for March, and so on. On the right was a Roman number, which denoted the year, beginning with 2 in 1986. However, in 2001, Zippo altered this system, changing the Roman numbers to Arabic numbers. Those are zippers made in August 2004, was stamped H04. In this case, at mine Zippo here you can see there is a 19 on the right side and the letter D on the left side. Okay, A, B, C, D. 4. January, February, March, April. That means this Zippo here, my zipper, is made on April 2019. So you can see how old is your zipper. Easy, or? Yes, it is. These are the date codes of your Zippo. Lie. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I'll see you next time. Soon.